How to hard factory reset your Linklike Neckband wireless Bluetooth headphones back to their factory default settings. If they are, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is going to be troubleshooting. If, they are not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or they're not connecting to your phone, or they keep disconnecting, or they seem to be crashing and not working right, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Also, if you just want to, in one fell swoop, have them forget everything they've been paired with in the past, like that, so that you could just set it up new and not have to worry about it, connecting to the wrong device. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy. We're going to find this power button here, and then this button in the middle here. We're just going to press and hold both of them for 5 seconds. I'll hold this up, see if you can hear. So this and this. Ready, go. 1, 2. There it goes. You see that red, white, red, white, red, white, red, red, white. And now it has been reset to its factory default settings. You can go ahead and basically it will go straight back into the pairing mode, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new set of headphones. And if you're trying to figure out how to set it up, get it paired and everything like that, you can just click on this video right here. It'll show you how to do that with these headphones.